Hello everybody, this is the Cooking Chemistry Show with your host, Raimundo Varula. Today, we will be learning about the chemistry that's involved in cooking. Today, we will be learning how to fry or boil eggs. Now, as you know, those are the two major forms, but they require two different ways of cooking. Today, we will be cooking with eggs. As you know, there are two common forms of cooking, frying and boiling. Now, you know they produce two different forms of the egg, but how is that? Well, one is through convection, the other, conduction. For the show. Alright. Let's get started. We're going to be cooking at the same time, but in different methods. Now, instead of measuring how long it takes to cook both eggs, we're going to be measuring the weight of the eggs before and after to determine how the chemical reaction affected the egg.
Today, we will be cooking eggs, and as you can see, I have here 2 eggs. Our goal today is to find out what happens in a cooking. A cooking? Yes, a cooking. Does an egg weigh more, less, or about the same after it is cooked? I don't know, do you? What do you think will be the possibility? Well, let's get started. Done here. And before we take the measurements, we will take the temperature of the water and the egg to show that the heat is transferred from the water to the egg, making both the egg and water relatively the same temperature. We took the measurements of the egg before and after the cooking, and the weight was relatively the same. The weight of the egg before was 56.7 grams, and after was 56.9 grams for the hard-boiled egg. While the weight of the scrambled eggs was 56.7 grams and changed to 56.6 grams.
One is through convection, the other, conduction.
We should stop there.
Okay guys, time to get started. We will not be measuring how long it takes to cook these eggs, but instead, we'll be measuring the weight of the eggs, before and after.
Oh my God.
Now let's get started. We will be taking both eggs, cook them at the same time, but instead of measuring how long it takes to cook them, we'll measure the weight. I can't work like this.
Too bad.
That's Bloopers.
You're not.
We'll do it live. Welcome to the cooking show. That's an intro right there.